last 18 months or the last fucking 18 minutes, bro? The last 18 months, absolutely nothing has happened. The last 18 fucking hours, yeah, not too bad. Made a few steps forward. Look at it, bro. It's got the guards glued on. Thank God you found the guards for this fucking dinosaur. Epoxy primer on now, so that I can do some filler work. I'm gonna put a coat of Fibril on here now, and then I just gotta do some panel bond epoxy touch-ups, you know, because you never get that shit the first time around, ever. What am I missing here? Oh, this side doesn't have that fucking bracket. First look of straightness, bro. Gonna get its first block today. Now, as we speak. But I'm just opening the top here. This isn't quite dry, but by opening the top layer with a bit of the old sandpaper, you know, get the solvents to evaporate, you know, to speed up the drying process. Anyways, bye. ASMR. How quickly did they fuck that up, eh?